Many companies have a number of different departments which deal with specific areas of the business. To help you to record income and expenditure for each department, in Sage Accounts you can set up to 1,000 different departments, and when you enter information you can specify which department the transactions are associated with. When you generate your management reports, for example the profit and loss and balance sheet reports, you can then run these for each department. This gives you a breakdown of the performance of each department, providing you with in-depth financial information about your company. Departments are already set up in the software. However, you'll need to assign names to them. Adding names will make it easier to choose the correct department when you enter transactions. To do this, click Departments. You then highlight the department number that you want to add a name to, and then from the toolbar at the top, click Edit. In the name box, you simply enter the description for your department. Just like other records in the software, you can enter up to 60 characters. Once you've done this, click Save. We'll quickly add a transaction so you can see how easy it is to use departments. So let's open Bank Accounts, and we'll enter a bank payment. We'll accept the default bank account and the date. We'll enter a reference number, leave the extra reference blank, and enter the nominal code for the payment. We can then select the department from the drop-down list. It really is that simple.